day 2 of Brighton, and we are just making some sandwiches to take out because we're stingy and we are taking packed lunches. So we are getting ready to head out today. We're going to explore the lanes. Myself and John have been before on holiday last year, but these guys haven't, so we're going to go and explore everywhere, see what's new. Also,
it's going to be oh, thank you.
This is a bee embroidered by none other than John Sharrett himself. I thought I'd give a little bit of a promo.
I mean, if you're interested, hit me up because
he does commissions.
I do commissions.
Just not for me. I've been asking for a year. So we will keep you posted. That's what we're up to. It's going to be a good day. Hopefully the sun's going to be out today, right?
Fingers. Hopefully.
Yeah, so we'll see you later.
Pepe, it's in Primark.
Okay. That's a really nice background for you.
Okay.
No, I'm so awesome.
Any full length?
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
It's got to be
So let's talk through your outfit today, Emilio.
Okay, so my glasses are from a vintage shop. T-shirt is M&S.
Yes.
Watch is Skagen.
Yeah.
Bracelet is
Ellie from Etsy.
Shorts are River Island. Shoes are from Clark's.
Yes.
And that's it.
Do it.
Okay, so this is a cute little number that I got from a charity shop. What a surprise. This is Primark doing me well. These are H&M jeans and these are Vans from Shoe.
So John, what's your outfit of the day?
Well, today I'm wearing a jacket that's from a charity shop.
Yeah.
A top that's from a charity shop that I embroidered.
Let's just get a close up on that.
Get up in that bee.
Yes.
These shorts are from ASOS, these socks are from ASOS, and the shoes are from eBay. They were £80. And the body's all mine.
What about your rucksack?
Oh, my rucksack was also from eBay because I'm cheap. Ellie, tell us about your outfit today.
My outfit of the day today, from head to toe, is my bandana is from Primark, my earrings are vintage, my sunglasses are from Harper & Lewis, vintage. My top is actually a dress from Matalan, but it was a bit shapeless, so I kind of fashioned it with a skirt, which is also from Matalan in that duotone denim. My shoes are from Shoe, Connie V's, and my bag is from Accessorize.
Lovely.
The train came roaring round a curve. Peanut butter. A bald-headed man in a restaurant said, "Waiter, my cocoa's cool." The waiter said, "If your cocoa's cool, put on your hat, you fool." Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. But how in the world can the old folks tell it ain't gonna rain no more?
I like the little blue ones on you. Show the camera the blue ones.
Oh, yeah.
I think for a night out, those are definitely the ones. Ooh, that's cute. Oh, I like that. How much is it? And I bought a new pair of sunnies. I quite like them. I think they scream 40s glam.
Hey guys, so we're coming out of this little tavern of sorts, but we're really tired, so we are going to eat some food and carry on.
So we've just bought some cronuts from Dum Dums, and you're very happy about that, aren't you? We got the biscoff and salted caramel, which looks dank, and then we got the Nutella one, which It's amazing. So we're excited to try those. The rest of the guys are inside, but Mina's enjoying that. Yeah.
Did you get the Galaxy? Ooh. Strawberry cheesecake. I bet the donuts are better than the cream.
No idea how I look because I'm literally blind in the sun, but we are on the beach. So we just had a walk through town and then we came and we were just having a little sit down in the sun, and then yeah, we're just going to see where the day takes us. So just a little update.
So we've stopped off at Moho Gelato and we are having some amazing ice cream. Amelia's got mint and ginger. I've got carrot cake and cookies. You've got
salted caramel and lemon drizzle.
I've got lemon drizzle, but I'm eating the majority of it.
But Kieran's lactose intolerant, so he has to have vegan. It's so good. So we are now on Brighton Pier. Yeah! There it is.
Stop. You need to film properly, Ellie. We'll give it some lessons, don't
We've got some sea views over here. And we're going to go inside. I don't know if we're going to go on the rides today because I think it's going to be a little bit too, I don't know, well I've got a skirt on and it's just not going to be cool, it's not going to be cute. So, what are we doing? We're just going to go.
We're just going to have a wander in, have a look at what's here.
So,
Take some pictures.
take some cute pics. But the view's cute. And the water is directly beneath us. So who's going on the massive one over the sea?
No way.
You would get tired at the
No,
buoy and then
is it something?
drown.
What do you want to do?
I want to jump off this pier into this beautiful blue lagoon.
It does look very inviting, but
It
something tells me it'd be a bit cold.
It's doable.
I don't think it's doable.
I think it's doable.
What,
need,
to
like-
jump it
you
and
need to
survive?
train it.
Yeah. Let's turn back.
I think the jump would be quite, that would shock you, I think.
Yeah, you'd be shook from the cool water. I don't think you could.
Let's see, try.
I want to see me try. I
Go
want
on
to
then, do it for the vlog.
Yeah.
You enjoying it?
Yeah, it's cool.
We just went to a henna artist and we asked him if we could have a henna tattoo of the dead chicken in the fridge. And I just said, have you got anything like maybe any Chinese or Japanese sort of symbols that mean chicken? And he said, well, why have that when I can draw you one? And as we were trying to leave,
Walk away.
because we saw that the price for this tiny thing was going to be £15, he whops out his sketchbook and starts drawing a dead chicken in a fridge. Slightly awkward because we weren't going to pay £15 for that, but that was a cute. Look at this top. 2p machine. Gonna get turned on the 2p.
Ellie's frantically trying to get one of those little toys.
I want that one. I want that little one. So we've decided that the one ride we're going to go on today is Horror Hotel. And we're all really excited about it, aren't we, Kieran?
Really excited about it.
And John is especially excited about it because he loves scary stuff. So we'll see how it goes. It could potentially be absolutely awful. It could potentially be really scary. We'll let you know.
Okay, so we've just got on the haunted house.
Haunted house.
And these two behind us. And I'm going to scream all the way around. Oh my god!
So we went on the haunted house ride, and it was really scary. Okay. I was going.
So we're over the students' night, just having a cheeky drink, cooking with some photos that I took for the blog, and we're going to head back to the flat soon because we're going out tonight. So, woo, bang into the club. I've got really bad sunburn on my back.
It looks awful.
Alright. It really sore, so I want to go and sort that out because it's so like red. You can't see it, I'm showing you. We're being really sociable. There you go. We're on our way to the club. We're jaywalking.
Hey guys, so last time we saw us we were on the beach. So we ended up in this club called Shush.
You have to say it like that, you have to go.
We're having a great time. I'm going to go in back and boogie for a bit. It's only until 5 AM, so it could be a long one. Yes, we'll see you soon. Bye, love you.